Welcome back to Harborough Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have kind of an in-between little give me. And just before we get into it, it's clear. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel grow a lot. We're at 13,000 subscribers, going on to 14,000, which is nuts. And I appreciate every single one of you. I'm going to try to do something for the few members that I have. So I appreciate it if you've become a member. I look forward to me trying to give back to the community because you guys have been so great to me. Anyways, we have this 1 day only free hat, big asterisk, free hat with purchase of $39.99 asterisk, in store only, Tuesday, September 16th, while supplies last. Let's read the fine print. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store only. Original coupon must be presented. Receive a free hat. Item 71092 with minimum purchase of $40, excluding taxes, and after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following ITC memberships: extended service plans, gift cards, or prior purchases. Void if copied, sold, purchased, transferred, and where prohibited. Other restrictions may apply while supplies last. 9/16 only. $40 purchase. I'm not seeing anything here for ITC. Sometimes it's a little bit cheaper for ITC, but $40 is not nothing. Doesn't feel very free, but let's look up the hat to see what kind of value this is. And the value is in that it's a Harbor Freight hat. It's a nice hat. I see the Harbor Freighters out there. Kind of want to come out with my own hat. Is that saying too much? See who the Harboros are? Anyways, Harbor Freight low profile trucker hat. It's a $7 value, which is a great value in and of itself. Compare it to New Era at over $30. But the problem isn't that it's a $7 value, which is great. The problem is they have to spend $40. So if you're already going into Harbor Freight, there's always a few items that you can look to. And some of those would be the ITC deals that are going on through October 2nd. So we still got some time. 12-ton jacks, always solid. Been a little bit cheaper than this before, but at $125. These don't go on sale too often. $35 off. Those are solid. This all-terrain capacity folding wagon. And look at this. They're showing this on the beach. I had a beach day recently, and it was a struggle not having an all-terrain wagon. And here they show it kind of on a nice part of the beach, not on super soft sand. Super soft sand, you kind of need to have some inflatable tires, but nonetheless, cart is solid, 20% off. Haven't seen this one before. The Daytona Creeper in Creeper Green, $64.99, 23% off. Solid item to get. And now we're getting to the actual items that qualify. We're pretty close to. You got the Bauer Large Modular Toolbox. I've seen in the comments a few people have gotten these. Solid for an ITC price. Well, 12% off, not the greatest, but in the range to get your free hat. $7 value, which is not too bad. The Gordon Multi-Tool, I would say you're short a few bucks here, so you'll have to add something in. But with the ITC, 12%, not terrible, not great. You need to spend $5 more, but a solid item around the threshold. The Quinn High Voltage Electrician Pliers 3-piece down to $20, 28% off, solid, but you still got to get an extra $20 up there. Maybe get some US General Storage, 33% off, solid combination to get yourself, quote unquote, a free hat. But I won't go too much into this. I won't belabor it. The fact of the matter is they're doing a 1 day only free hat. So if you happen to be in there, be prepared. Maybe get to the $40 threshold. If not, you can spend $7 and buy yourself the hat. Anyways, anybody going to use it tomorrow? Anybody got an item that they need to get? Maybe throw in the $10 professional sockets, Icon sockets. $20 for the Icon mat, assuming they have it in stock. Again, more only if you're going to be in Harbor Freight tomorrow. If you're already planning on it, this is the kind of deal that is a pleasant surprise. Maybe not something you go to the store for. But anyways, anybody happen to be planning a trip to go tomorrow? Let me know. Get your Harbor Freight hat. A hat is a hat, especially if you're already spending $40. Anyways, good luck shopping. Happy Harbor Freighting. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.